Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Chrysler 200C all-wheel drive, stock number E2374A. 50,000 miles on this local trade, clean auto check history report, velvet red pearl in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage with roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5, leather interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. 200 is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. All happen to make it an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out, and a removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This 200C has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Alpine sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel and puts you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy ice blue gauges, with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, as well as adaptive cruise control, paddle shifters for the 9-speed automatic transmission, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats, as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days, and dual zone automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. That 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the head, moonroof and sunshade control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this 200 has a 3.6 liter V6, 295 horsepower. Very clean under the hood, as you can see. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a all-wheel drive midsize sedan. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 65% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.